Hello friends, good evening to you all. And our today's topic, which I want to discuss with you, is India-US Quad group. And if we talk about Quad is an informal security dialogue between the four nations, India, US, Japan, and Australia, with a shared objective for an open, free, and prosperous sorry, Indo-Pacific region. Free, open, and prosperous Indo-Pacific region. And if we talk about the meaning of the Quad, then Quad means quadrilateral, and we know that quadrilateral has four sides. And if you look at the map of these countries, then you will find same region between these countries. And if you draw some lines, then you will find that there is a quadrilateral like structure, so that the region between these is called as quadrilateral security dialogue. And actually, in the initial time, Quad was not a formal group in the initial time. It was established as an ad hoc group in 2004 after the tsunami in Indian Ocean. And at that time, there was a very disastrous tsunami happened in Indian Ocean region, and around 2 lakh people from 18 countries died at that time. And died at the time. So it was the most natural disaster ever in the history, natural disaster ever in the history of ever in the history of humankind. And we can consider them as the biggest disaster. So after that, these four countries, India, US, Japan, and Australia, they decided to create an core group, a tsunami core group, and they provided 40,000 troops, 40,000 groups, humanitarian responders, and they shared they shared a lot of helicopters and cargo ships to support the people and to support the evacuation of the people who are affected with the tsunami, and for their evacuation. So these all types of things shared at the time between these countries. And we know that Quad is not has not a secretariat in any country. And in the initial time, it was a it was an ad hoc group. And after the purpose of the group was completed, uh, it was dissolved after that. Okay. So but after that, after seeing the impact of these groups, the countries all around the world, they were very much impressed by the diplomacy, by this type of diplomacy. And after that, the Prime Minister of Shinzo in 2006, Prime Minister of Japan, Shinzo Abe, he decided to create an arc of freedom and prosperity, a group which can ensure the freedom, free, openness, and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific region. And after that, our Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, he visited the Japan and also shared his eagerness to create a group of the like-minded countries in the Asia-Pacific region. And after that, the US Vice President Din Dick Cheney, he also shared his eagerness to support or mm, to create a group like Quad. And after that, the Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe, he visited India in 2007, and the first formal meeting of this Quad group was first initiated in 2007. And after that, we know that Australia was also in the group of Quad. But after that, due to the Chinese pressure and aggression, the Australian counterpart, they decided to leave the group at that time. And we know that after that, until 2017, the Quad group became a dormant part, we can say dormant. And there were not any single type of meetings and activities happened in the Quad group after that time. But in 2017, in the ASEAN summit in Manila, the leaders of all the leaders of all the nations of Quad group, they decided to revive the Quad group again. And due to the increasing influence of China's aggression in the South China Sea, and also to counter China militarily and diplomatically, they decided to revive the group again. And after that, there were also a lot of agreement between India and different countries. Like we have signed an agreement, LAMOA, Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, in 2016. And also civil nuclear cooperation, we signed civil nuclear cooperation deal with Japan in 2016. And after that, uh, Japan also became a permanent member of the Malabar exercise. And if we talk about the objectives, or we can say what things the Quad group has done in the past time, then I want to share something with you. These Quad groups, these Quad nation in the time of COVID, they decided to pledge billions of vaccines by the 2022 for the nations of the Indo-Pacific region by free of cost. And they pledged to donate billions of vaccines to the Indo-Pacific region countries free of cost. And they are also creating, these Quad nations are also creating some working groups to look into the matter of climate change and technological advancement and all these types of things. Actually, this Quad group is wanted to use us us capital, sorry, us technology, Japan finance, India's production capabilities, and Japan's finance India's production capabilities, and Australia's logistic support. And we want to link them as a puzzle. And if this puzzle will be completed, then we know everything will be changed for the world, and we will provide better solutions for every type of problems to the world. So these are some of the things, and we are also creating. We are also supporting each other. Quad group is also supporting each other in terms of technology, and they want to become an edge in every type of advanced technology which come new in the society. And we want to become be an edge in every types of cyber securities and science related experiments and everything. And we are also cooperating in the field of science and space science. So these are some of the things about the Quad group. Hope you all understand well. Thank you. Thank you, and do not forget to share the subscribe button and bell link, and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.